Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 2 Guided Project 2 to 3. So if you want to complete Simulate project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So assignment title is Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 2 Guided Project 2 to 3 and Guided Project 2 to 3. So we move to the main project steps. So total step is 18. We move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is open the workbook SPCD to Excel, start a file. If the workbook open is protected view, click the enable editing button so you can modify the file will be renamed to include automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the SPCD 2. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is select the student worksheet and select the cell B5 to C8. So select the student loan worksheets. Select the student loan worksheets and select the B5 to C8. Select the B5 to C8. C8 and press enter. B5 to C8 and press enter. Press Ctrl and select the cell E5 to F7. So E5 to F7. So next E5 to F7 and click the create from a selection button, formula tab and define name groups. So next create from a selection button, go to the home tabs and go to the page layout tabs, go to the formula tabs and create from a selections. So next create from a selection button, formula tab, define name groups and verify that the left column box to create the name from the selection dialog box is selected. So verify that the left column box. So select the left column box. In the create a name from the selection dialog box is selected and deselect the top row box, check and click OK. Deselect the top row. Deselect the top row box and click OK and click OK and next so next click the name manager button, formula tab, define name groups. To view the name in the name manager dialog box, notice that the cell reference are absolutes. Click the name manager buttons, go to the formula tabs and next go to the define name groups. Click the name managers, open the name manager dialog box, open the name managers button, formula tab, define name groups. In the name managers, notice that the cell reference are absolutes. So check the loan amount, loan term, payment rate and total cost. Payment rate and total cost, total interest and total principal. So next, and click close, and click close. So we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is, enter a PMT function, select the cell C8, click the financial buttons, formula type function library, and select the PMT. Click the rate box if necessary and click cell C7. The name rate is substituted range name or absolute cell reference. Type 12 immediately after rate to divided by the 12 for monthly payments. So select the cell C8, and press enter. So next one, select the cell C8 and click the financial button, formula tab, function library group, and select the PMT function. So type is equal to and type the PMT function. Open the PMT function dialog box, PMT functions, and click the rate box if necessary and click cell C7. Click the rate box if necessary and click the cell C7 and click the cell C7. The name is rate is substituted range name or absolute cell reference divided by 12. Type divided by 12 immediately rate after rate to divide by 12 for monthly payments. So divided by 12 and next click the napper box and click cell C6, the substituted rate name loan term. Click the napper box, select the napper box and click cell C6. So click cell C6 loan term, C6 loan term, type multiply by 12 after loan term to multiply by 12. So multiply by 12 and next click the PV box, type minus sign to set the argument as negative amount and click cell C5 for the PV arguments. And negative loan amount reflect the lender's perspective because the money is paid out now. So next minus loan amount and cell C5 loan amount minus loan amount and the perspective because the money paid is out now. Leave the FV and type entry box empty, click OK. The payment for loan at the 186.43 show as the posted value and click OK. So next, the payment for loan at this date is 186.43. Show the post value and next format cell C8 accounting number format to match cell C5. Select the cell C8 and apply the accounting number format. So go to the home tabs, go to the number groups and apply the accounting number format click OK. C8 to pay the accounting number format in cell C5. So question number 3 is complete, and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, create a total interest formula. Click cell F5. Total interest, this value is calculated by multiplying the most payment by the total number of payment to determine total outlay. From this amount you subtract the loan amount and type is equal to, and click cell C8. So click the cell F5, cell F5, total interest. Click cell F5, the value calculated by multiplying the monthly payments by total number of payment determined total outlay. From this amount you subtract the loan amount, type is equal to, so next type is equal to, and click cell C8, cell C8 payment, multiply by cell C8 multiply, and click cell C6 long term. Cell C6 is long term, multiply long term, multiply by 12, multiply by 12 for monthly payment, value type in formula or content, and or absolute cell reference. So long term multiply by 12 minus loan amount. Click cell C5 is the loan amount. The formula payment loan term for thesis are not required because the multiplications are done the left right followed by the subtraction. Minus loan amount, and press enter. So 1185 point. So result is 1185.81, 185.81. So question number 4 is complete, and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, calculate the total loan cost. Select cell F6, total principal, this is the loan amount in cell C5, type is equal to, click cell C5 the loan amount, and press enter, and click the cell F7, the total cost of the loan, this is the total principal plus the total interest, and type is equal to, click cell F5, type plus, and click cell F6 and press enter. Select the cell F6 is total principals, in cell F6 total principal, the loan amount is cell C5, type is equal to, and click cell C5 and press enter. Type is equal to, and select the cell C5 and press enter. C5 and press enter, and next click cell F7, the total cost of the loans. This is the total principal plus the total interest. Click cell F7. F7 type is equal to the total cost of the loan. This is the total principal plus the total interest. Type is equal to, click cell F5, type plus click cell F6 and then press enter. So click cell F7. F7, total cost of the loan. This is the total principals and type is equal to, click cell F5, cell F5, F5 plus F6 plus F6 total principals and press enter. And press enter. So 11,185.81. 11,185.81. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, we move to the question number 6. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is set an order of mathematically operation to build an amortization schedule and click cell B13. The beginning balance is the loan amount. Type is equal to, click cell C5 and press enter. Format the value as accounting and select the cell C13. The interest each payment is calculated by multiplying the balance in column B by the rate divided by 12. So click cell B13. B13. The beginning balance is loan amount. Balance is loan amount. And type is equal to, click cell C5 and press enter. Type is equal to and click the cell C5 and press enter. And next, format the value as accounting. Apply the accounting number format and click OK. And next, select the cell C13. The interest for each payment is calculated by multiplying the balance in column B by the rate divided by 12. So next, select the cell C13. C13. The interest for each payment is calculated by multiplying the balance in column B by the rate divided by 12. Type is equal to, click cell B13, type multiply, click cell C7 and type divided by 12. Select the cell C13 and the interest for each payment calculated by multiplying the balance column B by the rate divided by 12. So type is equal to and click cell B13, click cell B13, try multiply bracket and click cell C7, multiply and bracket and click the cell C7 select the cell C7, ignore the formula autocomplete list and note that the array range name substituted and type divide by 12 parentheses are necessary so that the division is done first. Divided by 12 and close bracket and press enter. So next and press enter, verify that the result 37.50 is formatting and recording. 37.50 and apply the accounting number format. So next select the cell D13. The portion of the payment that is applied to the principal is calculated by subtracting interest portion from the payment type is equal to and click cell C8. The payments type manage and click the cell C13 and press enter. From the first payments applied to the principals and 37.50 is interest. Select the cell D13. The portion of the payment that is applied to the principal is calculated by subtracting the interest portion from the payment and type is equal to, click the cell C8, the payments C8 payments minus click cell C13 minus click cell C13 and press enter. So result is 148.93. 148.93. Apply the principals and 37.15. So next click cell E13, the total payment in the interest portion plus the principal portion. Click cell E13, cell E13, the total payment is the interest portion plus the principal portion and type is equal to, click cell C13, type plus click cell D13 and press enter. The value matches the payment in cell C8. So click cell E13. The total payment is the interest portion plus the principal portion. Type is equal to and click cell C13. So type is equal to and click cell C13 plus click cell D13 and click cell D13 and press enter. So result is 186.43. And next select the cell F13. The ending balance is the beginning balance minus the principal. The interest is part of the cost of the loan. Type is equal to and click cell B13. Type minus click cell D13 and then press enter. The ending balance is 9851.07. So next select the cell F13, ending balance. The ending balance is the beginning balance minus principal payment. the interest is part of the cost loans. Type is equal to and click cell B13. Type is equal to click cell B13. B13 minus D13. D13 principals and press enter. So result is 9851 point, so 9851.07, and apply the accounting number formats. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete SimNet project, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 2 guided project 2 to 3.